Hi everyone, this is Matt from TechKnowHow, and today I'm going to do a video on how to reset Windows 10. Now, this may seem like a very easy thing to do, but there may be some people out there that are running into trouble with Windows 10. Their operating system is just not working the way that they want it to be, and they think something's wrong, something might be hosed up. So what do? You go in and you reset Windows 10. Inside the settings, there's a factory reset that'll bring you back to a default start. Now, there's many different ways you can do this. If it doesn't boot, you can always take the ISO and boot the ISO up. Or if it does boot, you can access it from the menu, and you will also have some choices that we will go over in this video about keeping files or starting completely fresh. Alright, now that we're logged into the virtual machine for Windows 10, you're going to go to the Start menu and then into Settings, which I already have open. And here is the settings. So I'm having some issues with this Windows 10. We're going to click into the Windows Update and Security. And then if you follow along this and go down to Recovery, we'll get to the recovery options, and here it says reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. And then there's an advanced one that you can boot. Like I said, if it won't boot, you should be booting with the ISO or USB drive more commonly nowadays. But we're just going to go ahead and choose this option because we're already logged into Windows. Okay, then you come up to this window and it says keep my files or remove everything. You can keep, it'll remove the apps and settings, but it'll keep your personal files. Now, if you got possible malware and stuff like that, I probably wouldn't choose that. I would just completely reinstall and start fresh. So we're going to go ahead and click next, and then we'll click reset, and then it's pretty much going to re-image the PC and keep the files in place with the setting that I chose. Now this may take a while depending on your hardware. If you're running a virtual machine like I am, this may take quite a while, so please be patient. And if you have any questions, please post them below. Any suggestions on any videos that you want to learn about any type of technology that I'd love to do research on, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.